Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Curd, also known as dahi or yogurt, is a fermented milk product that is rich in probiotics and calcium. My name is Laddie and today I will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a thick, creamy and delicious homemade curd with only 2 ingredients. Step 1. Boiling the milk. Place an open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Add 1 liter of full cream milk. Regular milk can also be used. Bring the milk to a boil, stirring occasionally to prevent burning or browning.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Once the milk is boiled and starts to rise, turn off the heat and set it aside to cool down. It should become lukewarm. You can check the temperature by dipping your finger in the milk. It should feel comfortable and not hot. Once you reach this temperature, our milk is now ready to make curd. Step 2. Preparing the curd. In a bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of store-bought curd or your previously made homemade curd. Mix well and ensure there are no lumps. Add the milk and mix it nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover the bowl and keep it in a warm place for a minimum of 8 hours to set. The time will also depend on the climate. In a warm temperature, the curd will set faster and may take more time in colder temperature. In a colder environment, it is best to cover the bowl with a thick cloth and place it in a warm place. Step 3. Checking the curd. After 8 hours, you will see that the milk has thickened and set into curd. If it is still not ready, then keep it for a few more hours to set. Once it is set, refrigerate the curd for a few hours or overnight to get a firmer texture before serving or using it in your recipes. Always store the curd in the refrigerator and consume it within 5 to 6 days. Delicious homemade curd is ready. Enjoy the fresh, creamy taste of thick homemade curd.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.